Hello friends, my name is Veera Panchal. I work with Vikrame Sarabhai Community Science Center. I am going to introduce you with a small science activity in the coming video. Let's explore the science activity. Today I am going to talk about the osmosis process. Osmosis is defined as a movement of a solvent or water from a region of its higher concentration, which is a high water potential, to a region of its lower concentration, which is a low water potential, through a semi-permeable membrane. For example, if we compare the seawater with the fresh water, the seawater have less water potential as it contains high amount of salt compared to the fresh water. Imagine if we place a semi-permeable membrane in between the seawater and the fresh water, then the water molecules will move through the semi-permeable membrane from the fresh water to the seawater, because the seawater has less water potential as it contains high amount of salt compared to the fresh water. A common example of osmosis is a plant roots absorbing water from the soil. Let us learn how we can understand osmosis practically by performing an activity at home using basic materials. The materials used to perform this activity: potato, knife, common salt, fresh water, 2 glasses, spoon, length measuring scale. Fill both the glasses with an equal amount of fresh water in each. You can use the tap water here. Label the glasses as A and B. Leave glass A with the fresh water and add 2 spoons of common salt in glass B. Now using a spoon, stir the mixture in glass B till the salt dissolves. Now cut a peeled potato into 2 even strips. Make sure both the strips are of same length and size. You can use a scale to measure their length. I have kept the potato strips ready of 4 centimeters each. Now put 1 strip of potato in each glass and leave the setup for around 45 to 60 minutes. Remove both the potato strips from the glasses and measure their length. You will notice the change in the length and softness of the potato strips. The length of the potato strip in the salt solution will decrease and at the same time become softer. So, in this experiment, there was no change in the potato strip of glass A because the water potential of the potato strip and the water in the glass was same. Whereas in glass B, the water potential in the potato strip was higher as compared to the salt solution in the glass. So, the water moved out from the potato strip to the salt solution. As a result, the length of the potato strip decreased and became softer. In this experiment, the potato cell wall worked as a semi-permeable membrane.